Welcome back to Mr. Smith Garage. Mr. Smith knows how to weld? Well, not really, but we're gonna give it a shot. Okay, we're gonna do a little bit of welding here, some practice welding on some exhaust pipe. I think I got it set right, but we're gonna see, because I don't know if it's gonna be good or not. So I do want to thank all my watchers, my viewers on Mr. Smith Garage. Shout out to some of my young viewers like William and Alex, and any of you other friends of Austin's out there. Thank you guys for being loyal subscribers. And next time you're in town, make sure you hit me up for a Mr. Smith Garage YouTube sticker. So we're just going to go at this. I have no idea how this is going to turn out because I'm not really a major welder myself. So let's just go for it, huh? Well, that looks pretty good. Unless that's on the same spot I was just on. Ooh, that looks good. Doesn't look too bad. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'll put my gloves on so I don't hurt myself. Just gonna burn myself with that tip, huh? My wire speed still might be just a little fast. I'm gonna turn this around a little bit. Didn't go where I wanted it to. That did. Okay. Let's brush this a little bit. Let's see how we're doing here. It's looking pretty ugly, but no time like the present to practice. What I might try and do is see if I can run a bridge between two of these here. Let's see if I can make that happen, huh? Yeah. It is ugly, but it's probably what we're trying to do, right? I don't think I like that one as much as the last one. Okay, we're going to go to a different spot because that might be getting a little too hot there. What I am trying to do is not bend it one way or the other, like get it too hot on one spot. Looking pretty ugly, huh? Let's go for this one because I don't have anything there yet. Ooh, that looks better. Maybe. Maybe not. Think that looks better? Let's go for this side. Couldn't see what I was doing. Went a little bit off it. Got quite a bit missing here. Yeah, I think what I'm doing is I'm hitting the heavy part and not actually getting it to the steel there. Yeah, I'm not. I got quite a bit of a gap there to try to bring back. We're getting there though. No time like the present to do a little bit of experimentation, huh? Let's see how that went. Well, I think I got it a little bit better. I'm gonna pause for just a minute, turn on my air compressor, and get some air, cool this down a little bit. I think those might be on the same circuit, so probably shouldn't run those both at the same time. Once again, just trying to fill up some holes now. Might need to be a little hotter for that because it's a really much thicker steel. Hey, if you're a welder, tell me. I'm just trying to think if my speed is too fast. I think my heat is good because I'm on high. I'm not blowing holes through the metal. Keep going the way I am. You know, that's the thing about these videos is the feedback comes after the fact, but I do appreciate the feedback if you got any feedback. One here pieces of feedback might be, don't use a Rubbermaid table. That'd be good feedback. I am on, this is a piece of metal on top of cardboard, on top of Rubbermaid. I don't know. Seems safe. Seems safe when I put it together. That popping, I'm thinking, is, there's gotta be something. Is it coming out too fast? Or is it not coming out fast enough? Is that better? Once again, I'm not blowing holes in there, so that's good. Yeah, that looks like it might have been a decent. Let's cool it off a little bit. Okay, we weren't filming there for a little while, which is probably good because I'm probably doing a hack job. But anyway, still, I'm getting better, I think. So you guys can be the judge of that, and feel free to comment, tell me how you think I'm doing. We're just filling some holes now. Just filling some holes. If you didn't hear me from earlier on the video, you know, when I learned to weld was like 7th grade. So I don't know if you all learned to weld when you were in 7th grade, but I remember doing stick welding. I think if you wanted to do like, I think TIG welding, you had to do it another grade, and like 8th grade, and do it again. And I think I took some other elective like wood shop. Okay, so I got a few good welds and a few bad welds. So we're just gonna keep going until we get to the grinding part. We'll see how many holes we got. We got a hole over here. Gotta fix that hole. I don't know if that actually fixed it or if that just welded up on the thick part. That got some metal on there. There we go. Oh, there's some spots there. Let's do these spots on. Well, okay, so I'm hitting this, and I wasn't hitting where I needed to. Just adding metal. Adding metal. All right, so any of my friends out there that know how to weld, don't laugh at me. No, I'm learning. I'm gonna take the grinder to this a little bit, see how it cleans up, and we'll go from there. So while we're doing that, let's turn this off. Turn off my gas. You can kind of see I got the head right here for Lars, and I'm ready to put it back together. I just need to clean it up, and I haven't had time. Figured I'd work on this a little bit, so. All right, so I think there you have it from a non-welder. Pretty crazy, huh? I'm gonna go blow some air. That one. That one right there, can you hear that? Yeah, I think that one's a hole. So, that one's a hole. That one's a hole. That's a hole. So let's fire it back up. We got that one, I think. Let's see. We got a couple of holes right here. Let's do the blow test again. Okay, I think we've got a winner. So, from somebody that's not really a welder, I learned on that. We'll see how it holds up. This is for racing, when I race Jill. So this is a special pipe that'll go just when I'm racing. Thanks for joining me, Mr. Smith Garage. If you are a follower, I do appreciate you watching. I'm going to title this something like Mr. Smith doesn't know how to weld, and see if I get some comments from you. So anyway, really easy machine, this handy MIG. It could be better if I were a better welder, but for somebody that doesn't weld a whole lot, it did the job. And thanks for getting me started on it, Burley. And hopefully this will hold and not exhaust leak on me, and I'll paint it up so it won't rust, and it's good to go. Thanks for joining me, Mr. Smith Garage.